Active transport or uphill transport. Here, the cell membrane moves ions or molecules against the concentration gradient or against the pressure gradient or against the electrical gradient with the use of extra energy. So this mode of transport is known as active transport. For example, sodium ions. Sodium ions are greater in concentration outside the cells, whereas on the inside of the cells, sodium ions are lesser in concentration. So in order for the sodium ions to move from inside of the cell to the outside of the cell, an extra energy is required. So that's an example for active transport. Consider another example, potassium ions. Potassium ions are greater in concentration inside the cells, whereas on the outside of the cells, potassium ions are lesser in concentration. So in order for the potassium ions to move from outside of the cell to the inside of the cell, an extra energy is required. So that's also an example for active transport. So active transport is divided into two main types on the basis of energy required to facilitate the transport. They are, the first one is primary active transport and the second one is secondary active transport.